Before you put your money into altcoins, make sure it has similar threats with Bitcoin. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with altcoins, what I've learned and observed, so that you can make an informed decision if altcoins are really worth your money. This video is going to be very, very informative. You want to stick to the end. I was introduced to altcoins in 2021. I was introduced to a whole lot of them, and with a lot of success stories around it. It will look like you're missing out if you're not part of the trend. So I bought a few of them and I tried to convince some of my friends to do the same. Some did, but one of them told me that these coins are still under the dominance of Bitcoin. It makes no sense buying them because they don't have any sustainability. It didn't make any sense to me until the bearish trend started. Bitcoin dropped over 50 points and most of these altcoins went out of existence. People lost money completely because time Bitcoin dropped, there are chances that it will rise up and you can still make gain, but these coins crashed down to zero. Now the question is, are altcoins really worth the risk? Well, this is what I observed. Before one, there are some good altcoins though, and people are really making money from altcoins. People really made money rather from altcoins. But before one should put his money into altcoin, you should have the traits of Bitcoin, which are longevity, slow growth. You shouldn't be putting your money into something that is very quick. In 6 months, is blowing up more than 1,000%. Longevity, good amount in circulation, and it must be solving a problem. Most of these altcoins are not solving any problem. That's why when the bearish market comes, they have no value they are holding and they are crashing out of existence completely. So these are the characteristics you should be looking out for before you should put your money into any altcoin project. In the next video, I'll be explaining these points one after the other, and I will also be sharing with you the altcoin I'm looking out for in 2023 that has the potential of giving at least 50% this year and at least 5,000% from now to the next 3 years. So guys, if you're new to this channel, you want to subscribe, click the notification bell so that once I release this video on the next altcoin I'm looking at, you will be one of the first people to get it. Note, I'm not trying to criticize altcoins, but I'm saying that some of them are not worth it. They were not created with good intentions. They were created by sometimes fraudsters and scammers and promoted by YouTube influencers so that people can get into them. And when they pump it, they dump it and people lose a whole lot of money. So guys, until next time, I wish you good luck and good trading.